Today we're making slow cooker mushrooms. Come on in, welcome to my home. Today is a great day because it's cold and horrible outside. Okay, so it's not such a great day, but I've got a really good recipe that you can make. This is a wonderful side dish if you love mushrooms, because you can use any kind of mushrooms with this. And it probably has stuff which you already have. You can make this in the summertime using fresh ingredients, but it's winter here. It's an icy day. It's really bad outside. I had everything. I was already going to make this, so this is a really good thing. Let's start it off really simple. I have half a cup of white wine. Now, all the ingredients are listed down below, and they're also flashing up on the screen. Then 4 tablespoons of butter. I am using my slow cooker simply because. Then I have mushrooms. I am using 1.5 pounds of mushrooms. And you're saying, well, that barely fits in there. They cook down. They cook down a lot. All right, then we have oregano, thyme, and rosemary. Salt and pepper to taste. And add 3 to 4 cloves of minced garlic. Now I'm going to cover this, and then I'm going to cook this for, this depends. Now if you put it on high, you're going to cook it for about 1 to 2 hours. But if you put it on low, you're going to cook it for about 3 to 4. I'm going to put it on high and cook it for about 1 to 2 hours. Every 30 minutes, give it a nice stir and everything. And then 30 minutes before it's done, we're going to add another ingredient. But we'll keep an eye on this. Every 30 minutes, we'll stir it. Now, if you forget to stir it every 30 minutes, is that the end of the world? No, not really. 100% not really. Just keep an eye on it. You could cook this overnight and not have to worry about it. But it's one of those things which really doesn't, there's not that whole much to do. If you even stir it just once, you're doing great. So let's let this go. 30 minutes before you serve it, you're going to want to pour in half a cup of half and half and mix that well. You can continue stirring it every now and then, but then let that cook, and then when you're done, you get this delicious looking mushrooms. Those look so good, and they smell incredible. Let's give this a taste. Those are super good. You can do this especially if you're at one of those things where you know you're going to be holding the food for a while. Put it on warm. You can keep this. This is so good. I mean, I would really, really recommend this. Now, if you make this, let me know. You can get a hold of me on most social media at cmcolemanhome. If you have any ideas, comments, or suggestions, let me know down in the comment part. Don't forget to check out my Patreon, which helps keep this channel going. And I hope I get to see you again next time. If you like this video, give it a thumbs up. You can share it. Don't forget to subscribe and check out the other videos on this channel. I love making these videos for you, and I hope I get to see you again next time.